Hi guys, so if you remember I made a homemade beetroot mask and उसमें मैंने अगर आपने ध्यान दिया हो मैंने ये चीज़ बोली थी कि जो भी एक एक्सट्रैक्ट बच गया है बीटरूट का हम उसको फेंकेंगे नहीं. वी गोना मेक a homemade toner. So please watch this video and trust me, this toner is magical. It gives a very amazing glow. So grate the extract and take the half cup of water, which you can see clearly in this video. I'm gonna boil this, and you can boil you can boil in the high flame or low flame, your wish. Also, to add extra glow, you can add half pinch of turmeric. I have not added. कुछ लोगों को सूट करता है, कुछ लोगों को नहीं सूट करता, so that's totally your call. I'm gonna boil it. So once it's boiled, you need to make this mixture, cool down. And once it's cool, when it's it's in the room temperature, you can pour it in any container you want. Just be careful. So the homemade fresh beetroot toner is ready, and I'm so happy that I made it. It is really very effective. जितना आप घर की चीज़ें यूज़ करो ना उतना बेटर है. Trust me, personal experience. Now I'm gonna apply it. You can use it as a mist. So it was very quick, very simple. Please do try it and do subscribe for my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Let me know also if you have any other concerns, any skin problems or something. Please let me know. I have the remedies for you, okay? And I'll see you super soon.